Next, we will move ahead and understand what is ribbon chart. Now, let's take a look at how we can create a ribbon chart in Power BI. So what exactly the ribbon chart? Ribbon charts, with the help of ribbon charts, you can see the rank and sales changes difference between categories. It always shows the large value in each column at the top, then the next values comes after. Okay, I just go ahead and show you how to use this one. So usually what we do is in the case of ribbon chart, we use the time related data in the x-axis. And the next one is I just use the sales. We will use a simple thing. So, okay, here we can see that the x-axis we have plotted the year, y-axis the sales value. And now with this, we can understand the 2011 to 2014, we could see an upward trend when it comes to sales. But surprisingly, it is not displaying the ribbon chart as intended. It still shows the column chart. So how I can convert this ribbon chart? So in that case, what we do is I just go ahead and drop the region here. Region has more number of category here. Let me use a region here. I just type region. I just drop it in the legend column. Sorry, in the legend, I just drop the region here. Look here, it displays the region here. So here on the right side, you can see feels like the axis legend and values. See in the left side, right? So you can on the top you can see the legend, and here you can see the axis, the x-axis, and the values here. You can see it here. So in this case, what I did, I just dropped the region here, right? So only after dropping the region column, this one got converted as a ribbon chart. Okay. So in this case, what we are seeing is, right, it shows the ranking by categories or region, the sales, the sales by region across, yes, we can see it here. So here, each color represents specific region. This one represents the Caribbean region. This one represents the West region. That's what we can see it here. Okay, so that with this we are able to understand. So now in this case, so we can see that in this case, the top sales value displayed on top here, right? So, and that is what we can say. It always shows the large value in each column at the, or each region at the top, right? This is the top most region. This is where we can see the more highest values. And then the next value comes after this. So the next region is South. The top region is the tested sales, and the next region is South. The top second top region with respect to sales, we can see that. And also you can see that the year-wise, region-wise sales and each column. So 2011, what is the sales across this region? 2012, what is the sales across the region? Same way we can see it here. And with, in between, if you hover the cursor here, in between in the year 2000 and 2012 and 13 and 14, you can see something, the gray color kind of thing, right? So the if you keep the cursor over here, you can see that it displays 2011 sales and 2012 sales. And also it gives us this change in the sales percentage compared to 2011 and 12. We can see that there is a 14% jump in my sales. And also it gives us the rank 2011 to 2012. 2011, the test region was ranked as 1, and still in 2012 it ranks as 1. Okay, we don't see any change in the rank. But when you look at this data set here, right, this region, North Asia sales, here we can see that there is a 24% decline in sales between 2011 to 12. Since there is a decline in change, the rank went from 4 to 8. It went down from 4 to 8. So the rank got changed. The rank got dropped 4. Okay. The rank always here count from top to bottom. So that is what you need to remember it. Okay. So the rank went down by 4 in this case. We can see the percentage sales and change in sales. We can see the change in rank. The same thing you can see it across all these things. So this one shows the rank and percentage sales. This is the advantage of the ribbon chart. Okay, and I hope you understood how to use the ribbon. Again, you can use the format, your visual, and what you do is you can, I'll just show you here what are the options that are available in this case. Here, you have something called ribbons. When you click on the ribbons, you can see the colors. You can change the color if you want it. And the next one is spacing. If you want to leave space between one region to another region, one ribbon to another region, you can do this one. Look here, you can see the space between these two, so that you can easily make out which one is which one. If there is a, if it is too close, difficult to make out. Okay, so in that kind of situation, the spacing is much helpful. And maximum category width, you can increase the width. And if you use this one, right, this one will be helpful. And then the data labels, you can display the data labels on top of this one. And if you want zoom slider is not required in this case. Everything is okay. The next one is the properties, and the title is on. You can go and change the title, font style and font size. You can change it. That is pretty much about the ribbon chart.